Welcome to BG Zone. If you are a student and want to earn $10 to $20, then this video for you. In this video, we will learn step by step how to earn $10 to $20 only by doing 10 minutes of easy work. So don't skip video. Watch the video till the end. Let's start. We will use 3 free websites. We can download copyright-free images from these websites. First one is Pexel. Second website is Pixabay. Third website is Freep.K. In first step, go to Pixels and search Office. Here you can see there's a lot of Office background. Download Office background like this. Download 3 Office background. Now go to the second website and same search Office. And download 3 Office background from here. Now the last and third website search Office. And same download 3 to 4 Office background from here. In the second step, we will use Canva for editing. Search in Canva Zoom virtual background. Here you can see all these background are paid. So we will click the Create Background. Now click the plus icon and upload a background which we download from Pixels, Pixabay, and Freepik. Now set the background in right way. Now click the plus icon again and click the elements. Click the circle frame and drag it. Set it in the right corner. Now click the plus icon again and click the Upload. And upload a logo. Put it in the circle frame. Now here is the question where you find a logo. So I will tell you in last where you find a logo. Now click the next page. And do the same process, upload a background. Set the background in right way. Upload a circle frame. Set it in the right corner and put logo in it. Make 10 backgrounds by doing the same process. Here you can see I create 10 backgrounds just in few minutes. So you can also do this. Now download all these backgrounds which we create. In third step, go to Google and search Fiverr. From this platform, you can earn money easily just by creating office backgrounds. Now search in Fiverr Zoom virtual background. Here you can see only few people are giving this service. Here you can see this man is earning a lot of money just by creating easy background. He is earning 8,000 of 5 backgrounds in basic, 17,000 of 10 backgrounds in standard, and 26,000 of 15 backgrounds in premium. And he completed 360 orders. This man is also giving this service. This man is completed 1K orders and also he has 4 order in queue. He is also earning amount of money just by creating easy backgrounds. This Pakistani girl is also earning a good amount of money by creating easy backgrounds. You can also earn money just by creating easy backgrounds. So create your gig on Fiverr and start earning from today. If you like the video, subscribe VG Zone for more videos. Thank you. Leave a comment below.